Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron is an electronic crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the e-tron will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.